Hey everyone! Today I'll be showing you how to get Adobe After Effects on your Mac or PC, completely free with a trial. Let's get started. First, click the link in the description. This will take you right to Adobe's official website. On the homepage, click Start Free Trial. You'll see three choices: individual, business, and students and teachers. For this demo, we'll stick with the individual plan that gives us a 7-day free trial to test it out. Hit Continue, enter your email address, then click Continue once more. A short form will pop up asking for your details and payment info. Don't worry, Adobe won't charge you until the free trial is over. Once the form is complete, select Agree and subscribe. The next step is creating a secure password for your new Adobe account. Now download the Creative Cloud desktop app when prompted. Install it and sign in with the email you just used. After logging in, head over to the Apps tab, scroll down, and find After Effects. Click Install, and you're all set. That's it. Adobe After Effects is ready to go. Dive in and start creating your animations and visual effects. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more.